what you have on. That's quite an outfit. Look at you. Come over here. Come here and see Grandma. We're going to wrap up another baby, huh? Let's wrap up another baby. Bring me baby. Okay. Can you say, Lucy? Lucy? Say hi, Katie. Say hi, Katie. Hi, Katie. Say hi, Katie. Can you blow Katie a kiss? Blow Katie a kiss. Hi, Katie. Hi, Katie. I just woke up from my nap and I'm still sleepy. But I'm cute. I'm just as cute as ever.